what is up guys, Nicolai here, and I'm back here with the second video of me playing Fappy Bird. So if you haven't checked out my first video of playing it, better check it out. Um I'll put the link down in the description below. So let's just go into it. So hopefully we do better now. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Okay, it's okay. We're not gonna mindlessly rage again. So yeah. So how were you guys? So this week it's actually Tuesday today. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday, so Monday has been pretty good for me. It's okay because I'm on my summer vacation, so I don't really mind Mondays now. But if I go to school, I'm inform you guys because when I go to school, I won't be able to upload anything. So I'm so sorry for that. But it's actually I think one more month. Yeah, because today is made for me, and I was talking so much that I forgot the game. So god damn it. So it's actually this month. The enrollment this period is happening. So what you do is you enroll, and then yeah, and then I've been actually enrolled, and now I'm just picking out my uniform because I think the uniform like changed or something, but it's kind of fit. I don't know, but let's go into that, and then yeah guys, so I won't be able to upload that much videos if that happens. So I'm so sorry for that, but let's not mind that. God damn it, I keep on. Let's not mind that because today's summer vacation, and then yeah. So that wasn't an audio fail, that was just me try harding. So I'm so sorry guys. Yeah. Oh god damn it. So yeah, so I'm gonna do a little bit of chat with you guys while I'm doing this. So on this channel, I would like to take my gaming videos more, and I would like to give me some suggestions in the comments below. What application should I do next video, and I'll try my best to record my gameplay of it. And yeah, so let's go for oh god. So yeah, I'm just rambling over here, that's why I'm not focusing that much on here. So yeah, god damn it. So if I'm not able to upload a video guys, it's either to, if I'm not able to upload videos this week, it's either I'm hanging out and playing some game and hanging out with my friends or my family, or I'm really busy, so doing chores or something. Yeah, so but every day I will try my best to upload at least a single video for you guys. So yeah, so let's see if this video can reach 5 likes and this will actually motivate me to create another video. And yeah, so comment down below if you want me to do another game, or if you want me to play Fappy Bird, or yeah. So let's do yeah. So I'm actually doing pretty good. Yep, I'm doing pretty good. Oh my god. No, I jinxed myself. So I know we can reach 20 here, guys. I know I have faith in myself. Oh, nope, I don't have faith in myself anymore. So, yeah. Oh, 22. So that wasn't an audio fail, guys. It was really just me being try hard, and yeah. So we achieved our goal today, so to reach 20. I hope. Alright, let's see if I can beat 20. Oh, no. One more try, and then that's, yeah. Anyway, so yeah. Make sure to hit that like button. Maybe share it, have a good laugh. I actually uploaded my reaction to my first video while I was playing Fappy Bird, and I don't know if it's actually funny because I have no sense of humor. I'm just kidding, I have one, but I don't really know how to use it. Alright, never mind, guys. So yeah. Alright, so goddamn. Alright, one more try, and then yes. Oh, that wasn't a try at all. Alright. Sadly, we just have ran out of time for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my second video of Fappy Bird. Make sure to hit that like button. Let's see if this video can reach 5 likes. That will really that will really help me out, and it will motivate me to do another one. And comment down below if you want me to do another app, or if you want me to continue playing Fappy Bird. And see you guys all later. Goodbye.